Welcome to Port Moresby, where rugby league passion runs deep. In round 8 of the 2025 Hot Plus Cup, the SPPNG Hunters returned to their fortress at the Santos National Football Stadium to take on a fierce challenger, the winner Manly Seagulls. The Seagulls came out firing in the opening 10 minutes, dominating both possession and territory. Their pressure paid off early as 5'8" Ben Farr sliced through the Hunters' defensive line to open the scoring. After all the effort, the try looked easy in the end. But the Hunters weren't going to stay quiet for long. It was a moment of brilliance from Gairo Voro, who stepped outside a couple of defenders and created space down the edge. He found Brendan Nima in support, who ran a perfect line into the gap. With work still to do, Nima stepped past the cover defense and powered over to level the scores, his first try of the afternoon. The middle part of the first half turned into a gritty arm wrestle as both teams pushed hard to gain dominance. Defense was the name of the game, and points became nearly impossible to come by. It was left to the big men to grind it out. The Hunters' forward pack rose to the challenge, absorbing pressure and turning away every Seagulls attack. Then just before halftime, a breakthrough in the 38th minute, Brendan Nima struck again, latching onto the ball and crashing over for a second. That effort sent the Hunters into the sets with a narrow lead, 8 points to 6 in a fiercely contested first half. The Hunters came out of the sets with renewed fire, and it showed right from the restart. Their forward pack took charge, dominating the Seagulls through the middle. With the big men laying the platform, the Hunters' backline found room to move, shifting momentum firmly in PNC's favor. The crowd could feel the shift. The Hunters were in control, and it was only a matter of time before the scoreboard reflected it. With the Hunters dominating field position, it was time to execute, and they did just that. A swift set play opened up a perfect hole, and the informed Sonny Wabo hit it at full speed. There was no stopping him. The 2025 Hot Plus Cup leading try scorer added another to his tally. That's 9 tries in just 7 matches, a clinical finish from a man in red-hot form. With momentum on their side, the Hunters kept applying pressure, and it paid off with some slick ball movement to the right. The ball found its way to Solowane out wide, and the speed star did what it does best, diving over in the corner for his first try of the afternoon. That try pushed the Hunters further ahead, and the home fans were loving it. Just when it looked like the game was slipping away, the Seagulls found a spark, and once again, it came from their 5'8" Ben Farr. Farr scored his second try of the afternoon, and the Seagulls' second, giving them a glimmer of hope late in the game. The Seagulls tried to claw their way back into the contest, but every attempt was met with a wall of red and black. The Hunters' defense held firm and kept the pressure on. And then came the knockout blow. Of a broken play, Solowane swooped onto an inside pass and exploded through the light. With open space ahead, there was no stopping him. On a cross under the post for his second try of the afternoon. The Hunters weren't content to just defend their lead. They wanted to finish in style. Quick sub runs out of dummy half by Trevor Solu and Solowane carved up the tired Seagulls defense. With the Seagulls on the back foot, the Hunters shifted swiftly to the left, and there he was again, Brendan Nima. The veteran winger crossed for his third try of the afternoon. PNG Hunters wrapped it up in style, securing a convincing 30-12 victory over the women Manly Seagulls, a statement win that sees them leap into third place on the 2025 Oz Plus Cup ladder. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Webio signing out.